आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question here is, a survey was conducted among randomly chosen sample of 250 single men and 250 single women about whether they owned any dogs or cats. The table below displays a summary of the survey results, right? So in the rows here we have men, women and total, and the columns are men, women or total people with dogs only, with cats only, with both pets, none and total, right? Now according to this table, which of the following statements is true? Right, so what we'll do here is we'll check each and every statement as we read them. So the first statement is, the number of men that reported they had any pets is greater than number of people that reported they had only dogs. So we have three categories here: men, women and people, which refers to both men and women, right? And we have subscript categories, which are dogs, cats, pets, which includes both, and no pets, which means neither dogs nor cats, right? So we'll be using these two variable sets in conjunction, right? So for example, men with dogs would be M subscript D, women with cats would be WC, people with no pets would be P NP, right? And so on. So what option A says is, number of men that reported they had any pets is greater than the number of people that reported they had only dogs, which means MP, option A says MP is greater than PD. Men with only any pet is greater than people with only dogs. So let us check if that is true. So MP, or men with any pets. Any pets means dogs, cats and both, all three are included. So we have the value of MP equals dogs only, which is 92, men with cats only, which is 27, and men with both, which is 5. So this gives us the value 124, right? Now the value of PD we need to calculate as well. So PD is people, which means the last row, with dogs only, which means 167. So PD is 167. From these values, is this statement correct or true? No, it is not correct. It is incorrect, since 124 is not greater than 167. So option A is incorrect. Moving on to option B. Option B says, the number of people that reported they had any pets is less than twice the number of women that reported they had dogs only, which means PD is less than twice the number of women with dogs only, or WD, right? Now again, PD value is 167. We need to find out the value of WD. So number of women with dogs is 75. So twice of that would be 2 times WD would be 2 times 75, which is 150. Now again, this is incorrect, since 167 is not less than 150. So option B is also incorrect. Moving on to option C. The percentage of men that reported they had dogs is less than the percentage of people that reported they had cats only. So what this means is, MD is less than PC. So men with dogs only is less than people with cats. So let us check those numbers. Men with dogs we already know is 92, and people with cats only is the last row here and cats column, which is 70. So we have MD equals 92 and PC equals 70. So the statement says MD is less than PC, whereas this is not at all true. Therefore again option C is also incorrect. Finally we are left with option D. Option D says the percentage of women that reported they had any pets is greater than the percentage of people that reported they did not have any pets. Now this moves into percentages. So it says percentage of women that reported they had any pets is greater than the percentage of people that reported they had no pets, right? So percentage of women with pets is equal to percentage of women with pets is number of women with pets, which means 75 plus 43 plus 34, divided by total number of women. So total number of women here is 250. So percentage of women with pets is women with pets divided by total women times 100. So women with pets is 75 plus 43 plus 34, and total women is 250 times 100. So 100 and 250 get cancelled, 2 and 5 remain, and this value here is 75 plus 77, which means 152 times 2 by 5, right? So this value here will be 60.8%, right? Now this is the value of percent WP. Next value we need to find out is percent PNP, which means percentage of people with no pets. So this will be with respect to total number of people. So percentage of people with no pets, which means total and none, just 224 out of 500. So the value of PNP here is 224 by 500 times 100. So 100 and 500 get cancelled and 5 remains. Dividing this by 5 we get 44.8%. Now the statement says that percentage WP is greater than percentage PNP, and we see that percentage WP, which is 60.8, is obviously greater than percentage PNP, which is 44.8. So option D is correct, and therefore the correct answer is option D.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।